I think many of us have kind of got a bit used to the fact that we've had so much fine, dry, sunny weather of late, but things are going to take a bit of a change this weekend. We still have high pressure for the time being, but that drifts away towards the east this weekend, and it allows for some fronts to come in from the west, and they're going to do a couple of things. They're going to bring more cloud, a bit of showery rain, and also a change in our temperatures. Some fresher air is going to come in behind a front that's going to make its way through on Sunday, and so it's not going to be anywhere near as warm as it has been recently. But back to the here and now, and through the rest of Friday, lots of fine sunny weather on offer for much of the country. Some hazy sunshine across parts of northern England and parts of Scotland because of some high level cloud, and elsewhere a few bubbles of cloud here and there. But across the far north of Scotland, a cloudier story here. Outbreaks of rain, particularly for Orkney, also perhaps pushing into Shetland as well. Under this cloud and with the rain, it's actually going to feel a little cool for places towards here, just about getting into double figures perhaps, but elsewhere lots of sunshine and some warm air means that our temperatures are rising well above average, and it's going to be even a bit warmer than yesterday for quite a few places. High teens, low 20s quite widely, 23, possibly 24 Celsius as an absolute max. Little change as we go through the end of the day, staying cloudy, further rain across the far north of Scotland. This frontal system doesn't move a huge amount. Elsewhere, lots of clear skies overnight. Under these clear skies, yes, a few pockets of mist and fog could develop, particularly across some parts of eastern England. And also it's going to turn a little chilly. Perhaps not as chilly as some nights this week, but nonetheless, away from the towns and cities, in some prone rural spots, a touch of frost is possible first thing tomorrow morning. Most places, though, holding up several degrees above freezing. So yes, a bright but relatively fresh start to the day tomorrow. Lots of fine weather through the morning. Worth noting though, across the southwest we are going to see some showery rain pushing its way in as we head through the morning. More cloud ahead of this as well, and then some of these showery bursts could turn quite heavy across parts of Devon, Cornwall and into Wales as we go through the afternoon, and then they feed further north and eastwards into parts of Scotland and also across Northern Ireland as well. Further east and across northern parts of Scotland, actually a good deal of fine sunny weather on offer and clinging on to some very warm air as well. And so again, in the east we're looking at temperatures peaking in the low 20s, 23, 24 Celsius, not out of the question, but further west where we have the cloud, it is going to be a few degrees fresher than it has been of late. That showery rain in the west does continue to feed a bit further north and eastwards as we go through Saturday evening. Eastern parts, though, clinging on to the fine weather for a little while longer, but that showery rain will push through as we go into Sunday. Most places will see a bit of wet weather at times. But through Sunday itself, the more persistent band clears away towards the east. There will be a scattering of showers following in behind, but there will also be a decent amount of dry weather to be had. It's not a total washout by any means, and there should be some bright or sunny spells around as well, albeit it's not going to be anywhere near as sunny as it has been of late. And like I said at the start, we have some fresher air coming in as well, and so our temperatures are going to be several degrees lower as well. We're only talking around average for the time of year, so if you get any of these sunny spells, it's not going to feel too bad, but quite a change from what we've been used to through much of this week. There's also going to be more changeable weather to come as we go through next week, but you can keep up to date with the forecast across our YouTube channel. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.